What is back up, YouTube? In this video I got a special package that I got from Atomic Car Concepts, and these are the guys that custom make emblems and pretty much they create all other types of things like license plate frames, uh, LED. They make a LED type of grill, type of a light thing too. They make a bunch of other things on their website. Check them out. I'll put the link in the description and link in the bio. But anyway, this video is mostly about a special emblem I got. It's not something you can find from eBay or Amazon, those type of things. This one, on the other hand, is a high quality type of emblem that they custom made. And I wanted to just, I just wanted to show you guys this emblem. It's a pretty cool emblem, a 3D type of emblem. It's like a dimensional type of emblem. It's not like a sticker type of thing. It's basically an emblem that's like facing, like it has the structure type of thing where it's like a 3D dimension. But anyway, without going any further, I'll get down to this video. This is the packaging. As we guys could see, the packaging, Atomic Car Concepts. I'll put the link in the description, the link in the bio. Atomic Car Concepts. And these guys make emblems and all the stuff like I said earlier. But anyway, I'll show you guys the emblem. The emblem is right over here. This is the custom emblem that I bought for the Batmobile. I wanted to, change things up a little bit, and I thought this was something probably cool to add to the car. And it's really good quality. The size, to me, like I expected it to be bigger, but at the same time I think this size is very good. Like, it's not too big or neither too small. But I'll show it to you guys on camera. Now, I'm not sure if it's going to pick up on the recording very well, but I'll show you guys a little bit of it while I take this off right here. Okay, I got it. There you go. This is right here, ladies and gentlemen, the emblem that I got for the build. A Batmobile type of, it's an emblem. It says Batmobile on it, quite simple. And this would look, good on it. I plan on putting it by the spoiler of the car. But as you guys could see, it's like a 3D type of dimension. See, if you guys could see like that. It's a 3D type of dimension. It goes, you can see it's like a 3D way. It's not like a sticker or anything like that. Neither is like an Amazon or eBay type of thing. And they make other type of stuff too. They make LED license plates. You can have a custom made text to stick, anything like that. It's a very cool website. I would seriously check it out because they make high quality, products. And I'm not a sponsor to these guys, but I appreciate the quality stuff that they make, because these stuff that they make, you probably pay more for the price, but at the same time you get what you pay for. But anyway, it comes with a, hold on right there. It comes with, it comes with the, Atomic Car Concepts, a stick, it gives instructions, all that stuff. Check them out, Atomic Car Concepts. And basically it's showing an instruction sheet right here about step 1, inspect the product prior to install to make sure there's no damage. Step 2, test and check the fitment on the vehicle before mounting. Step 3, remove the OEM badge and clean the vehicle surface. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how do you basically, install a emblem on your car, which is, pretty simple. But for those that, never installed anything before, I'm here to help you guys out. Don't worry, we'll go through this, and it's very, it's not anything hard or difficult, but we could get through this. Maybe the hardest part is that basically if you have an emblem that's already on the vehicle, to remove that you're gonna have to use a heat gun, a hair dryer, or a fishing line to remove all that stuff, and then take the adhesive on. You probably have to use Goo Gone and other types of chemicals to remove that adhesive that's been behind it for several years. But for me, I'm going to try to put it on a place where I don't need to remove any emblem or anything like that. So I'm gonna be showing you guys in the next clip of where I exactly mount this emblem. And it came with the the set of instructions, which we probably don't even need. But yeah, it comes with one more thing. Let me pull this out, hold on. Oh, it comes with a, I don't even know what is it, the hell? It's some type of wheeler or something like that. Till now, I don't understand exactly what is the point of this, but yeah, I don't understand. I tried to peel one side of this. I've been trying to understand exactly what this is for, but it's not coming to my mind. It's like a wheel type of thing, but it has an adhesive too, but I'm not sure what this is exactly for. We probably don't even need it anyway, so we could just throw that in the trash. But anyway, without going any further, we'll go in the garage and I'll show you guys the demonstration on how you install Emblem on your car. Very simple and easy, so let's go. So I'm here in my garage. I'm going to probably install this, this Emblem right over here, and it'll look good here. I think this will look good right here, and I'll have to peel this off, but before I do that, I'm gonna need to first clean this surface to make sure there's no dirt or debris or any sort of anything, nothing on this spoiler. This is a Vicris spoiler. I'll put the link in the bio for that too. Vicris makes good spoilers. This is a real carbon fiber spoiler. But anyway, I'm going to first clean the surface and then I'll show you how to peel this off. The finished result, I got it on. I cleaned the area and then after I applied onto it. Now it's sitting very nice. Make sure you just firmly, take the adhesive off. And make sure it's, on there. You keep on squeezing it and it should stick. Let it, don't wash the car for like 24 to 48 hours and just, keep the car dry and keep it in the shade, maybe in the garage or something like that. But anyway, that's how you install a Emblem, which, you just keep on pressing on it to make sure it's on there. And I have it straight as it should be. There we go. Just to make sure, just keep pressing on it. And just, there you go. You have it right there. It's on there. And it looks good, matches with the spoiler.